You're gonna love the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette. With less than 7,500 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Corvette brings driver-centered comfort and refinement to a competitive, street-legal race car. Its aggressive power and agility mesh with state-of-the-art customizable driving technology to create a unique and elevated driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, 8-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, premium sound system, satellite radio, power passenger seat, keyless start, remote engine start, backup camera, aluminum wheels. Live like you mean it. Drive like you've dreamed it. The Corvette.